Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I'm going to be sorting, decluttering, and organizing the huge scrapbooking paper that I hauled a couple of videos back that I purchased at a yard sale. The first binder that I'm going to go through, it's 8.5 by 11 expandable plastic file. I'm going to start with this one first, and then I have the large Creative Memories crate next to me, and I will do that one second. And I'll probably speed the process along, and I'm going to be super picky about what I'm keeping because I have limited space in my craft room, and so I want to make sure what I'm keeping is stuff that I will use. So I'm going to be looking at the paper quality, if I have existing kits that the papers might match. Holiday stuff I will probably keep if I have existing paper and some of the papers belong to those kits. So those are kinds of some of the things that I'm looking for. And then of course, if it's just something I know I'm never going to use, if it's not a great quality, then I'm going to pass those papers along. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and take out one section at a time. Like this is just, I don't need these, so I'm gonna pass those along. I might try and put this through my scan and cut, and if I can cut around this, I will use this as ephemera in my baby books. Now this is something I will keep because I do write a lot of pen pal letters, and I think this was something that I could write a really cool letter on, and so I'm going to keep this one. Okay, so this is the stack that I have decided to destash. So that's leaving my craft room. This is the stack that I have decided to keep, but I am going to flip through this one more time to make sure that I think I will be able to fit and put this in a good spot in my room. So these are going to be keep, and that pile is going to be letting go. This is empty, and I'm just going to throw this in the garbage. Now for the large bin that is next to me. papers that I'm putting to the right, I'm not keeping. The papers that I am keeping, I'm putting here on my left. This is more 8.5 by 11. I don't think I'll be keeping like any of these. I'm gonna get rid of all of these. I won't use any of those. I'm not going to keep these because the quality, it's like really thin paper, and I don't like using thin paper. I'm going to get rid of that one. The other one, okay, I need to decide. Okay, I really only like this. So can I get something that matches that? I think I'm just going to keep these two so I can use this as a layering, but the rest I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of. This is the green stack. This is like nice quality. Move that up a little bit. Cute. Oh, I love that. And this has like a texture to it, probably from being recycled. I'm going to keep this one. Painted posies. Let's see. It looks a lot like Simple Stories. Keep this one. So this has a glossy texture, and I do not like working with paper like this, so I am going to destash this one. Glam Rock. Ooh. I could probably cut these out on my Scan and Cut. Alright, I'm going to keep this one. I don't have any of those paper pads. The Robin's Nest. Oh, this is feels like a really nice thick quality. I might keep these. I think I feel like I could use these for Christmas. Let me get rid of the packaging though. mostly plain colored cardstock. I will probably keep this, just mix it into my existing cardstock. Let me just show you. This is all that I am destashing. This huge stack and this huge stack. That's crazy. I'm getting rid of all of that. And then I'm keeping this stack, which has 3 of the paper pads, and this small stack of 8.5 by 11. And I'm going to go through this one more time, make sure it's what I want to keep. That's it, guys. I'm going to clean up this huge mess that I've made in my craft room, and then I'm going to pick another project to work on. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.